Okay, so sourdough part 3 now, and the last one, hopefully, because I've baked some the other day just to make sure I understand what was my mistake, and because the bread came out pretty good in part 2, but it was very acidic, so the starter was over matured. So I kept refresh it, throw some away, refresh it, throw some away, and until by the test it was nice and smooth and not too acidic. And as soon as it bubbled, I made the bread dough, and it worked. You can have a look right now, the video of my sons eating the bread. I've baked it. No, I started to make the dough, it was 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I let it mature for an hour and a half, fold it back once, let it rise again, and then shape it and rise it in basket, and it was ready to be baked. It was 10:30 in the evening, so as soon as it came out of the oven, my 2 boys was eating it all, so that was a good sign. So here is the video. Are you having another piece?
Yeah.
Are you eating the whole loaf?
Huh? Hello, Sky.
Is it the bread?
Squishy. And Sky. No, why'd you cut it like that?
That's crusty.
Okay.
So, back at it. That's it. It's done. So my recipe with this flour, which drinks a lot of water, that's because, someone remind me, is because the flour is high in protein. So flour with high proteins drinks more than other flour. So that's the dough. Lovely. All right. Up. We're gonna let it prove it. Rise a first time. But first I'm gonna fold it. Bit of water. And I'm gonna fold it. Until a nice tight ball. Let it rise, and in an hour and a half we fold it again, but we do the whole process. So sourdough, it's proved quite amazingly actually. You see the sides, it has a little bubble. This fruit starter is when it's fresh, is like so powerful. So we're gonna fold it once and then shape it. There we go. Lovely. So now he's been folded. What we can do is to reserve it in the fridge and until it grow a little bit more, and then we can shape it, or we can shape it now, I think. because I don't have much room in my little fridge, so I think I'm gonna shape it now. Okay, let's go. Little dusting. Up. It's definitely gonna be amazing, this one. Right. Let's get some pieces. So 650 grams. Oh, that's too big. Yeah. Okay, so let's dust our little bowl with cloth. Let's shape it. Up, upside down. So for the long ones, I'm gonna shape them round first. So let's give it some fold. Okay, baguette. It's quite soft. One more fold. Nice and tight. There. Then let them flour them on top, like that. That's it. They're all ready. So I think this one's gonna be amazing. So we're gonna let them rise gently. The garage is quite fresh because I have to be somewhere and I will come back like in 4 hours. And I think it'll be ready when I come back to bake it. Okay guys, the sourdough now it has well proved. Look, it's delicious. They look quite soft. That's why they need to prove in a sourdough basket. So the long one is gonna be a bit tricky to take out because they kind of spread instead going up in the basket again. But we're gonna manage and do something about it. So let's bake them. Okay, a bit of flour. Let's go. Okay, time for those. Oh my god, that's gonna be tricky. Okay, I managed to do it. I'm just gonna fold them like that. I'm not gonna cut those. They might open it like this way. Allez, no, let's do a cut. Maybe only on 2. Let's see what happened to this. Let's cut it. There. There we go, guys. They're done. Much more fluffier than previously with this fruit starter. Up. Yeah. Sounds good. There we go. Well, they smell amazing as usual. Much fluffier, much lighter. This fruit starter did work very well. Again, it doesn't look the way I want them to look, with a nice crusty, but oh well. Oh well, it's like that. That's gonna be good. But it looks horrible. I will never sell that in a shop. Luckily it's just for us. Let's take one of those loaves and I'm gonna take you next to the fields where they grow the wheat, so you can see the surrounding is beautiful. Let's cut a bread there just for the show. There we are, guys. This is the place where they're growing all the wheat, surrounded by mountains. How beautiful is it? And here is the loaf of bread with his natural habitat. Oh yes! Look at that! Beautiful. Made with local apples and the wheat